In this tutorial, I will teach you how to change profile avatar in Janitor AI. So please watch till the end to properly understand this tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Janitor AI, you can use the link in the description and you may get rewards and discount upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to go to your icon right here on the top right corner and go to your settings right here. And after you click settings, as you can see, you can insert a name for your profile, and also you can upload an avatar for your profile. So you can just click upload, and as you can see, if I scroll down and choose one of my avatar right here, it's already uploaded, and I also need to input my username, and yeah, that's it. So after that, you can just click update profile and your avatar will automatically be changed. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can change your profile avatar on Janitor AI. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.